Hello guys, welcome to Easy to Learn. Easy to Learn is an edtech startup in which we are making differential learning. So in this video, we will see about what is LLM and how to use it and how to run it in a Google Colab and get our output. Okay. So what is an LLM? So LLM is a large language model that are advanced AI system that understand and generate human languages based on vast amount of text data. So LLMs are nothing but they are trained with a large amount of data which is available on this world, and it gives us the information related to what we ask it. So, so to create an LLM, we can't create an LLM from scratch because it costs thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. So to run an LLM, we need 1,000 GPUs or 2,000 GPUs, depending on the parameters. So for that, we have Hugging Face, which has already pre-trained LLMs, which are designed by developers and which is an open source community where we can find LLMs, pre-trained LLMs. Okay, so let's dive into the process. So this is Hugging Face. As I have said it, this is an open source. We can use it for models, which is pre-trained AI models and machine learning models, data sets for our data, space to code and etc. So in this, there are several tasks. So we are going to choose a GPT model with 10 transformers. So transformers are nothing but Hugging Face transformers are nothing but a Hugging Face library, which is used to connect Hugging Face models with our code. Okay, Neo. GPT Neo 2.7b. So we are going to use this GPT Neo 2.7b, which is a replicate of GPT-3, which has 2.7 billion parameters, which will be lightweight for our usage. So this has 92,248 downloads, which is more downloaded by developers. So let's dive into the coding. For coding, we are using Google Colab. So why Google Colab? Because Google Colab has GPU support, which they give us. Without GPU, the computation will be very slow. So we are using Google Colab for our machine learning and AI development environment. So in this, we are going to install the transformers, which I have said before. It's in Hugging Face library. So pip install transformers. So in this Hugging Face, we should use this exclamatory mark. On VS Code, we will not use it. So in this, they have this parameter. So then from transformers import pipelines. Pipelines are the one which will connect the Hugging Face model and our code. So in this, we are going to generate text generation using this our AI model which we see from Hugging Face. We should declare the model name, which we will copy paste from here. So the model name, and we will declare the model name here. Then we will generate, so we will give the generator and do sample min length. So do sample equal to true. It's nothing but it will generate several responses for our prompt, and it will give it will select any one of the response and it will give it to us. Okay, so min length 50 means it will have 50 tokens. Tokens are nothing but small text or a small one word is a token. So it may be also a phrase of words, that's called token. In this we will see our token in next videos. So in the next cell we will have the prompt, what is your name? So I have just given it what's your name. So we will ask about cyber security. Okay, so we will ask about cyber security. So response equal to generate prompt max length 50, do sample true, and temperature is 0.9. Why temperature is 0.9 means we want a precise output for the input we are doing the prompt. So we have given the temperature 0.9. Print response 0. So 0 is the index number 0. We will give the first output. Okay, so then generate the text. So let's run it. So it's running the prompt. It will take some time because the GPU which Google is providing is not so fast, but it will be useful for us for development. We can't afford a bigger GPU, so let's wait for it. So okay, so it has given us the output. Cybersecurity can be defined as a body of knowledge, practice, tools, and procedures and protection system that information against threats to integrity, confidentiality, availability, and availability in the internet. So it's trained with 2.7 billion data only. So it gives the detail related to that. So no issues. We can use a bigger model next time. So thank you for your valuable time in our Easy to Learn. So hope you will learn more about AI in the next sessions. We are going to give more sessions about AI, and we will give short sessions. So our aim is to make difference in learning, and you want to learn anything or you want to try anything in a short period of time or anything. So it will be useful for us and it will be useful for you also. So if you are interested in learning with Easy to Learn, you can join our community. So thank you. Have a nice day.